Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna learn some interesting stuff, and it's about making a nut and a screw, or a nut and a bolt, whatever you want to call it. So, starting things off, let's go to the part file. Okay, and remember, this one's gonna have two part files and an assembly file, so it's gonna be a bit long. So hang in there. We go to the top plane, click Sketch, and first of all, use your thumb will make a center line, right? And then, like the other icons and other things I've mentioned before, like circles and rectangles and whatnot, this time we're going to be working with a polygon or a hexagonal shape, okay? So, go to the polygon, and we're going to make a polygonal shape like so. This is our polygon. Go to the feature and extrude raw space. Yeah, 10 millimeters seems nice, and we're gonna click OK. Okay, so this is the primary shape of our tool that we're gonna make. I click on the surface and sketch. Here we're gonna make another circle. So this is our body of our nut. We go to the smart dimension, give it a size like 20 millimeter. Yeah, 20 millimeter seems nice. Go to features, extrude raw space. Let's make it 50 millimeter, shall we? Yeah, 50 millimeter seems nice. Click OK. Done. Now, let's refine it a bit. We go to the fillet, click on the upper surface. Now 10 millimeter seems so low. Let's go 5. 5 seems big to think. We're gonna click 3. Yeah, that seems nice. 3 millimeter fillet on top. Yeah, that's okay. Now, let's save it. Let's name this nut. The nut. And now, go to the second part. Control N, we go to the part file. Okay. Again, we go to the top plane. Let's make a center line again. Just because I do it doesn't mean you have to do it too. I just make center lines for personal preference, that's all. Let's make a circle. Now if you remember the first video, we made a cylindrical shape, right? So same thing we're going to need to be doing again. Let's make a circle. Actually, we need 2 circles. So this one and this one. Okay, let's wrap this up with some smart dimension. First one is 20 millimeters, and the second one 30. Oh, already is 30 millimeters. Nice. So now we go to the features tab and extrude raw space. So this is the size of a cylindrical shape. Let's make it the same size. It has to be 50 millimeters, right? So this is the size of our bolt. Now we're gonna save it. Okay, now we're gonna save it. Let's name it the bolt. Okay, nut and bolt. Okay, now we're done with the part files. Now what we're gonna do is make an assembly. So Control N. We go to the assembly file. And here you can see you have nut and bolt. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Control and click the bolt and the nut. Okay, now release Control. When you drag your cursor down here, you're going to see the bolt here and the nut beside it, right? So these are the 2 files. We're finally in assembly. So what we're going to do is click the inside of this part and the outside of this part. Let me do it again. Hit press Control, click the inside of this part and the outer surface of this part. Now if you release the control, you're going to see some relations. Okay, this is parallel, this is perpendicular, tangent, and you're going to see concentric. Okay, we're going to hit concentric. Now what we're going to say is, actually we were supposed to make the this looks nice. Actually, I clicked the bolt first, not the nut. So this is our nut. Okay, I think we can fix it. Yeah, we can probably fix it now. This is our nut, right? It's working. This is how it works. This is our nut, and this is our bolt, right? but we haven't fixed it yet, right? We can fix the surfaces like so. So if you click again, hitting control, pressing control, you hit this surface, turn around and hit this surface, leave the control, and you're gonna see this coincidence. Now if you click coincidence, you have a perfect shape. See, it's perfectly according to the size. And there you have it, your first nut and screw tutorial. So go ahead and try it. If you like the tutorial, you can share it with a friend, and if you have comments, concerns, or questions, leave them down below. And if you want more tutorials or no tutorials, whatever you want it, you can leave them down below. And any suggestions, leave them in the comments too, and I'll see you soon.